Here is a look right now. This is at Pegasus Parkway there in Troup County. The really heavy rain that's coming down. Danielle is getting some of these traffic cameras to show us some. Oh, look at that lightning there too. So really heavy rain coming down there in that area where we have that severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for those spots down in Troup County. This is near LaGrange. She's checking some other cameras as well to see if we see anything on the interstates there. Where that rain is coming down really heavy. We can see some ponding on the roadways. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some flooding in some spots. You know how some of the, there's a car going pretty fast through there. How we sometimes see in those areas along some interstate ramps, sometimes where, you know, at times water can collect in some of those spots. So any low-lying areas that do collect water are most likely collecting water. So you've got to be very careful.